Hi everyone, and welcome to YippieYarnYay. Today you're going to learn how to crochet for absolute beginners. In this first part of a series of 3, you are going to learn how to make a slip knot, how to hold your crochet hook, how to chain, how to single crochet, and how to weave in ends when you're done. So for this tutorial, you will be needing some acrylic yarn and a hook that matches, a darning needle and some scissors. I'll leave a link to everything in the description box below. So to get your yarn on your hook, you're gonna make a slip knot. So to do this, you hold your yarn with your left hand and then you fold the yarn to form a loop. With your index finger on your right hand, put it into the loop. You twist your finger and take your thumb into the loop as well. With your thumb and index finger, you grab hold of the yarn and gently pull the yarn through to form a loop. This is your slip knot. That little thing right there. So now take your crochet hook and insert it into the loop. Grab the tail of your yarn and gently pull it to make the loop tighter on your hook. Now let's talk about how to hold your yarn. So with your index finger on your left hand, you wrap the yarn around your finger and hold the yarn like this. So how to hold your hook? Usually there would be a place for the thumb. And you want to hold your hook just like you want to cut with a knife. So now let's get started making chains. So first of all, you wrap your yarn around the hook, turn your hook towards your left hand, and gently pull the yarn through the loop. That's your first chain. Let's make another one. So you wrap the yarn around your hook, turn your hook towards your left hand, and gently pull it through. Wrap the yarn around your hook, turn it towards your left hand, and pull through. One more. Wrap the yarn around your hook, turn the hook, and pull through. So here you have your first chains. Let's make 11 altogether. That's 1, 2, 3, and number 4. Wrap the yarn around and pull through. Number 5. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the last one, 11. So to start making single crochets, you want to work into the second chain from your hook. So not that first one, but the second one. Insert your hook into the little chain. and wrap the yarn around the hook and pull through. Now you have 1, 2 loops on your hook. Then you wrap the yarn around your hook, turn your hook towards your left hand, and pull through both loops. So that's your first single crochet. To make the next one, you want to find the next little chain. Right there, you shouldn't be working in the first one just as you did before, but the next one. You can pull this chain to make the hole a little bit bigger so it's easier to see. So again, you insert your hook, wrap the yarn around your hook, turn the hook towards your left hand, and pull the yarn through. You have 2 loops on your hook. Wrap the yarn around your hook and pull through both. The next one is right here. So you insert your hook and you wrap the yarn around your hook, turn it towards your left hand, pull the yarn through. You have 2 loops on your hook. Wrap the yarn around and pull through both loops. So the fourth, you want to insert it in this little chain. Insert the hook, wrap the yarn around your crochet hook, pull through, wrap the yarn around the hook, turn the hook and pull through both loops. Let's do it all the way to the end of the row. Insert your hook, wrap the yarn around, turn the hook, pull through, yarn around hook, and pull through. So now we're at the end of the row and we only have 1 chain left. This is the one. So you insert your crochet hook, yarn around the hook, turn it, pull through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn around the hook, turn the hook, and pull through both loops. So this is your first single crochet row. It looks like this. So to make your second row, you want to make 1 chain. Turn your work. You always work from right to left. So you will be inserting your hook in this chain. Insert your hook, wrap the yarn around your hook, pull through. You have 1, 2 loops on your hook. Wrap the yarn around your hook, turn the hook, and pull through both loops. So find the next stitch. This is the one. Insert your crochet hook. Wrap the yarn around, turn your hook, pull through, wrap the yarn around the hook, and pull through both loops. Here's the next stitch. Insert your crochet hook, wrap the yarn around, turn the hook and pull through. Wrap the yarn around your hook and pull through both loops. Let's make one more. Insert your hook, wrap the yarn around, pull through, wrap the yarn around the hook, and pull through both loops. Now pause the video and continue all the way to the end. So now you're at the end of your row, and this is the last stitch of the row. It's gonna look like this. It might be hard to find, but you could just pull it a little bit to find it easier. So insert your crochet hook, yarn around hook, turn the hook, and pull through. You have 2 loops, and pull through both. So that's your second row. Now pause the video and make as many rows as you would like. So now we have made a little square. And now we want to finish off our work. So you cut the yarn, and with your crochet hook, you pull the yarn through the last loop, like this. So now grab your darning needle, thread your needle with the yarn, and now you just want to weave through the yarn with your needle. So you can go up and down and just weave through to make sure that your work doesn't unravel. So now you can work in the next row right here. So turn your work and go back through the yarn, weave through like this. Now you can weave in all the ends of your work and cut the yarn, and you have made a pretty little single crochet square. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, and click the notification button so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching.